Welcome back to our next tutorial video, this time on how to make a simple booking through Enni. Once logged in, go to the Search and Book tab located at the top of your screen and select it. Here, you will be able to filter your search by activity, venue, facility, and much more. For efficiency in this tutorial, we already know the venue we wish to book with. So in the venue search bar, scroll to find the venue or simply type it in. This will then load all facilities available at the venue. Click on the facility you wish to book, go to the availability and book, which will load up the calendar view of this facility. Here you can go to the specific date you wish to book, or the start date of a series of bookings and drag your cursor over the times you wish to book. This will then load the booking request screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, we want to book cricket every Sunday at this time until the end of July, so we select I want a repeat booking. We want this every week, so reoccurrence would be every 7 days. Select the date you wish the series of bookings to end on and select Save. Now that we have a draft booking, let's click on Book Now. This loads the booking screen where we need to confirm the activity, attendance, if there will be any under 18s in our group, what we will consume in the space, and any other relevant information to our booking. Then click Confirm. The final stage before payment is to confirm who you are booking in for. We are booking for ourselves, so select Myself and click on Confirm. This then takes us to the payment screen, which we will save for our next video. But as you can see, it's never been easier and quicker to book your perfect space on the Enni marketplace. We hope you found this short tutorial helpful, but should you require anything else, contact us at assistance@enni.space.